Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up to Zedge using your email address. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I'm already on the website of zedge.net. If you have not gone to it, simply type zedge.net on any browser of your choice right now. And from here, what we need to do is simply click on Browse Now. The button's right here on the nav bar. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Right here you can see many things like wallpapers and everything. But right now, we simply want to create an account. On the nav bar, right next to the bell icon, you will see a profile button. Simply click on it. And then you will be redirected to another page, that is Sign in to Zedge. Right now, we are looking to sign up using our email address. So let's click on the last option that says Continue with Email. Now what you need to do is simply input your email address right here. I'm gonna enter my email address right now. Let's simply hit on Continue. After that, it says that in order to verify our new email address, it's gonna send us a code by the email. I'm gonna go to Gmail right now and check for the code. Well, right here as you can see, I have received an email like this. Verify your email address to create your Zedge account. Here's the OTP. I'm simply gonna type it in the next page. Well, as you can see, I have entered the OTP and something like this opened up that says Finish signing up. Simply enter your username, date of birth and password. I'm gonna enter all of them right now. And do note that you can also add a profile picture from right here. After you have done everything, what you need to do is simply click on this checkbox right here. Just scroll down and hit on Create Account. And guys, that's it. That's how you create an account using email address on Zedge. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.